Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the RM2-5679 maintenance kit, designed for a range of HP printers including the Pro M501 series, Enterprise M506, and M507 series, and the MFP M527 and M528 models. If you're experiencing paper jams, poor print quality, or your printer is simply not performing as it should, this kit might be the solution you've been searching for. This kit is compatible with a wide array of printers, specifically the Pro M501DIN and M501N, the Enterprise M506DIN, M506N, and M506X, the M507DN, M507DNG, M507N, and M507X, the Enterprise Flow MFP M527C and M527Z, the MFP M527DN and M527F, the M528DN and M528F, the Managed M506DNM and M506XM, and finally the MFP M527CM printers. It covers a broad spectrum of HP's workhorse printers, making it a versatile option for many offices. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get your printer back in top shape. The kit includes the RM2-5679 fuser, a critical component for melting toner onto the paper. Also included is the F2-A68-67910 transfer roller, essential for transferring the image from the drum to the paper. The RL2-0656 tray, 1 pickup roller, and RL2-0657 tray, 1 separation pad, ensures smooth paper feeding from the main tray. For those using additional trays, the RM2-5741 tray 2 to 5 pickup roller and RM2-5745 tray 2 to 5 separation roller are also provided. And to keep things clean, a pair of gloves is included for the installation process. The kit replaces several part numbers, including RM2-5679, RM2-2585, FM1, V151, FM1, W154, F2-A68-67910, F2-A68-67914, and F2-A68-67913. This comprehensive coverage ensures that you're getting the right parts for your specific printer model. The manufacturer emphasizes good compatibility, stating that each fuser maintenance kit undergoes rigorous quality and function testing before leaving the factory. This commitment to quality control aims to provide reliable fuser replacement parts that seamlessly integrate with your printer. The RM2-5679 fuser maintenance kit is constructed from high-quality raw materials, designed for firm fixing and a perfect fit. This translates to consistent, high-quality printing over an extended period, making it a worthwhile investment for businesses that rely on their printers for heavy workloads. If your printer is showing signs of wear and tear, or you're simply looking to proactively maintain its performance, the RM2-5679 maintenance kit is definitely worth considering. It offers a comprehensive set of replacement parts, broad printer compatibility, and a focus on quality and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.